Alagaan mo ang puso mo. The way to take care of your heart or your emotions is to actually strengthen it. Because the world can sometimes be rough. Lalo na sa workplace, diba, kailangan matibay yung loob mo. And even if sometimes people say bad things against you or talk behind your back, hindi pwedeng madali kang maapektuhan. Otherwise, madidistract ka lang. Mas lalong magiging magulo. Kaya if you wanna take care of your heart, of your emotions, you have to build emotional strength talaga. And what does this mean? Magiging manhid ka na lang ba? I don't think so. Emotional strength means that you have confidence in yourself, that you have the truth on your side. So let's say someone talks bad against you, alam mo namang hindi totoo yun, and you don't really have to mind it. Ang mahalaga din, solid yung relationship mo with God. Doon talaga ang tunay na emotional strength. You latch on to the truth that God loves you, that God believes in you, that you're doing the right thing, that in whatever you do, you're trying to please God. And of course, tao din naman tayo, nasasaktan talaga. Allow God to heal you and restore you para bumalik ang lakas mo emotionally. Kailangan mo maging emotionally strong because of your loved ones. They will need your support and they need your stability. Kaya it's important to learn to forgive also so that you won't be carrying all these baggages with you. An emotionally strong person keeps calm amidst adversity and doesn't react negatively. Kayang mag-temper ng emotions and able to focus on a solution. So over time, tibayin ang puso and be a person after God's own heart.